Just a little thing, we always say when you're buying property, you should have like a plan, like a goal. And we always say start with the end in mind. And your goal is going to change, and your plans change, and your strategies change, and that's fine. We have to have some sort of idea why you're buying property and where you're trying to get to through investing. A very common goal people say is I want $100,000 passive income by the time I retire. So passive income, obviously income that I'm not working directly for, it just comes in the back end. And you say, okay, how do I get $100,000? And we start backwards. At 5% yield, which is a pretty decent yield, it's $2.5 million of property, and it's all paid off. 5% of $2.5 million is 125. You got some maintenance costs, and you're left with 100,000. That's an example of starting with the end in mind. And then, that changes. You get married, you have a child, you start a business, you get a divorce, whatever it is. Things change in your life and your goals change. But once that changes, you can change your plans and how you're going to get there. But if you don't really know where you're going, it's very hard to start getting there. Right? So even if it's a very rough idea, it's good to have an end in mind.